President Roosevelt, in a visit to Green Bay, Wisconsin, gave a speech talking about how confidence is returning to the American workplace.
Confidence is returning to our agricultural population, who, in spite of unpredictable and uncontrollable drought in a large area of the nation, is giving understanding and cooperation to practical planning and the ending of the useless bickering and sectional thinking of class. Confidence is returning to the manufacturers who, in overwhelming numbers, are comparing the black ink of today with the red ink of many years gone by.